Every great product begins at the source.
Quality is decided at the very first step.
Only the best grapes move forward. The journey to transformation begins.
Freshness is protected every second.
This is where processing starts.
Humans and machines work together.
Every grape is thoroughly cleaned.
It's soft, check them up.
Quality control never compromises.
Now, patience takes over.
This is where grapes become raisins. This is where grapes become raisins.
Water fades, flavor remains.
Transformation is complete.
Uniformity matters at every level.
Appearance meets preservation.
Precision defines modern production. Human judgment still matters. Ready for the market.
Freshness is locked in.
Prepared for global delivery.
Scale is the strength of modern factories.
The supply chain reaches its final step.
Now, the journey continues to you.
Another day of production completed.
And this is how fresh grapes are turned into premium raisins.